Okay, welcome back. This is going to be my second review on the Archos 101. We're going to go over a couple things, just installing the market. As you can see here, I've already got that installed on this, as well as the apps lib that came standard with it. The market, of course, is what made the big difference on the thing once we got that installed. So we're just going to go give a quick down and dirty on how that's installed. First thing, you can either download it from your computer and transfer it over, or you can download directly onto that Archos. So I'm going to show you. We're just going to open up a browser. Right now we're connected to the internet via Wi-Fi. What I search for here is G apps for Archos. Now there's another one in there. It's a G market for Archos APK, something on those lines. That's an older version, so you need to make sure you search for this exactly for the 2.2 update that we have. Okay, the first thing that pops up, we're going to go to archosfans.com. Alright, this is going to be just giving us the link to the APK file. Okay, the first one that comes up, as you can see, is going to give you that link. And this link is going to take you to Rapid Share. We'll go ahead and hit that. Okay, now this is going to take you to Rapid Share, where on the bottom right here you're going to be able to download it. If you're a registered user, you can, I guess, download it quicker, but the unregistered is still going to only take like a minute after your 30 seconds of waiting. So once you have that downloaded, we'll just go in here. I've got that downloaded. We'll show you. Under. Okay. As you can see, right here we have G apps for Archos APK. That's going to be that APK file that you're going to install. All you have to do, hit that to open it up. The application, this one, since it's already installed, it's giving me this error saying, it's going to replace another one. Obviously, I'm not going to go do that, but if it would have just popped up without having it installed, it would have given you that option to install just like anything else, and you would have followed along simple instructions. You'll have to reboot your Archos and enter in your Gmail account, but that's going to link all of your apps to that Gmail account. So once you have them, it's really great. Then it'll just sync for it. Here's that app if you want to look for this one as well. It'll provide a temporary root for your Archos, the Z4 root. You can download that APK and also set CPU. You can get that from the market. Go ahead and pay him a couple bucks for it. It's a really great little program for overclocking. So those are right there if you want to download those as well. Another one of my favorites here, TeamViewer. They have their beta version. You can't get it from the market, but you can go to TeamViewer online just through your browser on your Archos and download the APK file from there and install it. TeamViewer is really great. We'll see if we can just run it here real quick. Show you like I did before. Here's a TeamViewer. It also works on your Droid. Works great. I love it. Connect to the partner. I have my list of people, so this is a computer I have at home. Let's show you how well it works. Alright, and there we go. This is, let's see if you can see. There's the mouse up there. Try to focus a little bit. There we've got the mouse. You can see as I'm just sliding, it works really great. This is my Windows 7 laptop I have. Real great kind of program. And it's free for the, personal use. Okay, we'll just go ahead and get out of that. I like using my task killer. There we go. Killing the apps, killing them in the background. Okay, one other thing we want to go over real quick is if you have your Droid device and you want to do tethering, we found that it won't connect to the wireless tether via just a hotspot because it won't connect to ad hoc networks, but it will connect to infrastructure. What they have available online, what they show you is connecting via Bluetooth. So we're going to go ahead, go into our settings, go into our wireless up here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn our Bluetooth on this. While this is loading up, we're going to go over to our Droid. You have to have a rooted Droid. Let me show you. We have wireless tether for root. Turn that on. Right now it's currently set for Wi-Fi, but if you go into your settings and your setup, you can say use Bluetooth. Now when we go back, notice it says Bluetooth up here, not Wi-Fi. I'm going to go ahead and just get that started right now. Okay. There we go. So the Bluetooth transfer is started over here. What I'm going to do now is go into the settings on the Droid. Same thing. Wireless settings. Bluetooth is already started, so I'll go into the Bluetooth settings. It's discoverable, so I'm going to scan for devices. Over here I'm going to do the same thing. Bluetooth is on. So we'll go into our Bluetooth settings. We're going to make this thing discoverable as well. Now it takes a couple times for these things to find each other, but we'll try to get it real quick here. This one's here is named Baby. There we go. Pops up right there. We'll wait for it to get done scanning. Okay, it's done. We're going to try to pair. As you can see, it popped up on both. Go ahead, hit pair on both devices. And it should say paired but not connected. Okay, now you're going to hit back. And you're going to go into the cell phone tethering. Now, as you can see, we've got that Baby personal area network right here. I like to hit this. It's prevent your device from sleeping, and then also tether up top. So we hit tether. Once it's connected, this should give me the alert saying it's tethered. There's that vibration. Up there it says that the device was connected. And this should say connected via tether. There we go. Connected by tethering. So now that's hooked up to the rooted Droid. Again, you can't do this with your regular Droid. Root it and get the wireless Wi-Fi for the Droid. And that's it. Sometimes it does have a problem with the Bluetooth, where you have to turn off the Bluetooth, unpair them, and repair them. But I used it for I used it for about 12 hours the other day while I was at work, and connected to the Bluetooth. And every once in a while, I had to turn it off and pair them back up, but it worked great while they were connected. So if you have the ability to do that, I would suggest trying that out a couple times just so you can use it when needed and you're not learning on the go. The last thing we've got here, it's a 4 GB little flash drive. I've put one file on there. One thing we noticed, it won't recognize NTFS formatted hard drives or flash drives or anything like that. I had it formatted NTFS and it wasn't working and I couldn't figure it out. But a quick Google search showed me. This one's now FAT32, the way it's supposed to be. You can see up here, it's got the external storage added. Okay, let me pull that down. It says right there, external storage mounted. You would want to hit that to unmount it before you pull it out, or else it's going to reset your Archos. Not reset it to where you have to input all your stuff, but it's going to restart it. So always hit that. If we go over here into the file, okay, you can see we have external drive. That's going to be that flash drive. There you go. I've got a PDF for CompTIA Security Plus. That's on the flash drive, so you can go ahead and open that up or transfer it onto your internal storage or whatnot. So that's connecting these. Works really great. Go ahead, if I want to remove that, hit that, turn off. Okay. Now it says external storage is safe to remove. Okay. So now we can go ahead and take that out of there. Alright. And that's the second review here for the Archos 101. They're available at Newegg and Archos website, so check them out. We're loving them.